Epifagus. Epifagus virginiana, commonly called beech-drops or beech-drops, is an obligate parasitic plant which grows and subsists on the roots of American beech. It is a member of the family Orobanchaceae. The genus Epifagus is monotypic, containing only E. virginiana. The name Epifagus derives from Greek epi, meaning on or upon, and fagus, which is the genus name of beech. Description: beech-drops is a parasitic plant native to eastern North America. It entirely lacks chlorophyll and produces many brown stems up to 30 cm tall, on which it bears small white and purple flowers that appear in July through October. The flowers have tubular, zygomorphic, corollas ~8 long, containing a single style and 4 stamens. The dried flower stalks will persist throughout the winter. The flowers on the lower parts of the plant are cleistogamous, self-pollinating, while the tops of the stems have chasmogamous cross-pollinating flowers which may be sterile. Beech-drops contain very small alternate, scale-like leaves, which are a vestigial structure from an ancestor which was photosynthetic. Host and symptoms. Epifagus virginiana, also known as beech-drops, is an obligate parasite to Fagus grandifolia, beech trees. It has been found on maple trees, but it is believed this is a case of mistaken identity. E. virginiana grows off of the roots of its host but is not known to cause significant harm to the beech tree. Beech-drops grows on shallow roots at varying distances from the trunk of F. grandifolia. The roots of the host release a chemical that trigger the germination of E. virginiana. It is believed that the older the host tree, the more this chemical is released. The parasite develops a haustorium that grows into beech roots to draw nutrients from its host, as beech-drops does not photosynthesize. E. virginiana does not tolerate disturbances in its connection to F. grandifolia. As E. virginiana develops a tuber, the haustorium diminishes to the point that when E. virginiana has reached maturity, there is no visible haustorium. Instead, the parasite and host are connected through their roots and the beech-drop's tuber. Life cycle. Epifagus virginiana germinates when a chemical signal is released from the beech tree's roots. During early stages of development, beech-drops lives independently from its host, instead relying on nutrients from the seed. It may take several years for an above-ground structure to form. These early stages E. virginiana are a few millimeters in size and butter yellow. Beech-drops then develops a haustorium that grows into the host's roots. At maturity, the haustorium degrades and a tuber develops. During late summer and early fall, E. virginiana flowers. Beech-drops produces 2 types of flowers, chasmogamous and cleistogamous. Chasmogamous flowers are cross-pollinated flowers that grow at the top of the plant and are sometimes sterile. Cleistogamous flowers are self-fertile. These flowers grow at the base of the plant. Seeds from E. virginiana are small and are dispersed by rainwater. Between dispersal and germination, seeds experience a cellular change. The embryo changes colors and its cells develop granules. Environment. Epifagus virginiana's host environment is mainly temperate forests in the Midwest of the U.S. Beech-drops are found in Indiana, Ohio, and Michigan in significant numbers. They have been documented along the East Coast from Maine to South Carolina. In these environments, E. virginiana are pollinated by Pronolpes imparis, the winter ant. This insect pollination is required for pollination in the chasmogamous flowers. E. virginiana relies upon ant pollination to produce cross-pollinated seeds along with self-fertilized seed. It is not believed that ants pollinate self-fertile cleistogamous flowers. Beech-drops are used to monitor forest health because of their dependence on their host and the sensitivity to its environment. E. virginiana's host, beech trees, can advance in a forest faster than E. virginiana is able to. The presence of F. grandifolia is used to predict when E. virginiana will arrive in an area. E. virginiana is not a tree health concern, but the lack of its presence is a sign that forest health is declining.